I'm having a heck of a time with my pickup truck and camper. My camper is constantly being busted into wherever, and it's frustrating the heck out of me. So it's war on the crackheads. I'm going to make life tough on them. They've been able to just go up to my truck and steal what they want. Propane tanks is my biggest problem at the moment, but then I'm worried about my gas, my jerry cans. I'm worried about my recovery boards. These things are expensive. I got a hold, I was talking to Pacific Lock Company. This is what I've started with. So we're going to just do the, now this is going to be fun. This is a hardened chain and it's covered, very nice, Pacific Lock Company. And this is their puck link, they called it. So I got a hockey puck lock. The interesting thing about this lock is I can lag bolt it right through my camper, you know, lock her down good. And I got this hardened chain. I can lag bolt this all the way through. This first one is for my propane tanks. So what I'm going to do is put this in to lock down my propane tanks. Then the second one's going to go for my recovery boards. So in case I get a little bit of mud when I'm four-wheel driving, or snow, you never know, throw my recovery boards. So we're going to put different, this is going to solve a few problems for me. Yes, it's overkill, but I'm fed up of losing stuff. So I'm going to lag bolt this right the way through. So here is the puck lock. I like to call it the hockey puck lock. Nice color too. The other good thing is I can key this to anything I want. I can take these out and key it. But I can have one key fit everything. I've got an older style camper, so I've got like 5 different keys for every little thing. So I got the hardened chain. Sound of power. So this one, this is new product for me. I've never really gone for this before, but this is going to solve my problem. So I guess oh, that's kind of cool. Got a little handy thing there. When I want to lock it, run this through my propane tanks. Put it on there. Oh, that's nice. That's pretty heavy duty. And I'm not going to, it's connected right in, so I'm not going to lose my hockey puck. So I'm going to lag bolt this right through onto my camper, right through the wall, onto another plate on the inside. This looks really good. So this is going to go protect my propane tanks. I'm going to get another couple of these. One key fits them all. So stay tuned for the installation video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.